this lesson, you're going to learn how to do automatic captions inside CapCut. It's super easy and highly customizable. Let's check it out. And here you have many language options, from English, Turkish, Romanian to many others. I'm just going to leave it with English. And I put here on the timeline right now a short video that I have that doesn't have subtitles yet. So we're just going to click here on Create. As soon as it finishes, you're going to see now that we have a layer dedicated to the captions over here in the timeline. And you can see that it's all split. If we scroll here through the timeline, we have all the sentences here. It recognized everything. And up here on the panel on the right, if we click one of these, now we have one extra panel, which is called the captions itself. So here you can correct everything that it didn't get right. You can add new lines or you can delete them if you want. Now when editing the captions, there are two ways to go about it. The first one is to come up here, select the line you want, place the cursor and press enter. It's going to create another line of caption for you. And it's going to respect the timing here on the timeline. So you don't need to worry about moving the captions around. CapCut does it all. But if instead you just wanted this to be a two-lined caption, you could press Ctrl, Enter. And now you see that you have two lines on that caption. For short video content, it might be a little bit difficult to read two lines of captions, but depends on how fast-paced is the video you're putting out. So I'm just going to break it down a little bit here and let's speed up this process so that you don't have to watch all of it. And as you can see now here in the beginning, I have many different smaller parts, but we can't read this caption really well like this. So let's just click on the first one. And up here we have the same panels that we had before to edit text, but now we're actually editing the caption. So I'm just gonna choose one of those that I think are gonna stand out better on top of this video, like this one for example. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, change the font, that's about it. And if I have this box here clicked apply to all, it means that all of the subtitles are gonna be affected by these changes that I did. If there's some sort of case in which I want, like for example here, let's say that I don't want the subtitle to be covering these items here on screen. I can just click on this specific caption, unclick, apply to all, and now I can move it around. I can either go to position and size and change it here using the numbers, or by clicking on it, I can actually now move the subtitle around to wherever I feel fit. So maybe I just want to move it a little bit up, not to cover something here on the screen. Now it's in the perfect position and you can see that the previous one is still in the original place. And like this takes just a minute for you to have captions for a whole video. And if by any chance you already had captions prepared by another software, you can also import them here using local captions and just come into the import panel. Alright, now with the captions done, your video can be watched by absolutely anyone. In the next lesson, let's talk a little bit about stickers, effects, transitions to make your video really eye-catching.